Jamaica's all-star team stormed to gold to finally regain their 4x100 meter crown in Tokyo. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop, and Jamaica team has secured another gold medal for the country and for the world to see. So the Jamaican women's 4x100 meter relay was won by Jamaica in Tokyo just a few minutes ago. The team of Brianna Williams, Elaine Thompson-Hera, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price, and Sharika Jackson combined for a national record of 41.02 seconds. The United States took silver while Britain took the bronze medal to secure the third place position. Jamaica's team was the favorite headed into Friday's final, and they did not let up on the track, not even for a minute, as they delivered a spectacular performance for the world to see. In one of the final track and field events on Friday, the women's 4x100 meter relay under the bright stadium light in Tokyo, Jamaica into the finals as the overwhelming favorite, and so they delivered one of the best performances of the entire Olympics. The Jamaican women relay Olympic team showcased their dominance of the Olympics, sprinting and winning the 4x100 relay race, whose outcome seemed predictable even from the start of the event. The Jamaican team features 3 medalists in the 100 meters: Elaine Thompson-Hera, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price, and Sharika Jackson, with Brianna Williams. They missed out on the world record by just 0.2 of a second and ran the second fastest time in history for this event. The Jamaican closest competition came from the United States in this event, but congratulations goes out to the Jamaican team for securing a top medal position in the 4x100 meter relay, which saw the likes of Brianna Williams, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price, Elaine Thompson-Hera delivering, and Sharika Jackson as well, before I forget that one, delivering one of the most spectacular and clean sweep event of the entire Olympics. I can tell you that this race had fans glued all over the world, anticipating and awaiting this spectacular moment to be unfolded, and when it was for a time for the gun to be drawn, and it was delivered, and they did, and so they provided us with a spectacular moment to take us out of the Friday night Olympics. And I can tell you that this race will go down in history, and Jamaica will be forever proud of the way the females deliver this spectacular performance in this race. The team went into the race as the key favorite, and without a doubt in anyone's mind, they were the one that were predicted to be victorious in this race. Congratulations once more to the team, and well done Team Jamaica to the world. This has been Links 007 TV report on the Olympics 4x100 meter relay. Tell you, Jamaica will say, Bush Cash, I'm out.